Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox this gorgeous Peacock kit that I purchased from Michael's Make Market brand. So if you want to see how it looks inside, stay with me. So this is our beautiful Peacock, the original box. I actually purchased it for $12 because I had a 30% coupon on regular priced items. For now it is regularly priced, it is not on a discount or sale, so the original price is $17. No, if we round it up, like around $18, with 30% off coupon that you can locate online, it's gonna be like $12.99. The kit itself is carefully packaged in a plastic bag. So as always, let's start with the specifications of the kit. This is the canvas, really gorgeous canvas, but please again do not judge the image by unboxing because it looks kind of pixelated, but I know for sure that this design will turn out to be pretty detailed. The color, it is not color related, okay? The canvas itself is not color related. This is a full round reel diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. The canvas is fabric based, this is polyester, and this kit comes with 25 colors. The symbol printing is very clear. The symbols themselves are either numeric or alphabetic, so it's really very easy to work with. And there are two legends on both sides of the canvas. So that's when it comes to the canvas itself and the design on the canvas. Now, let's look at the drills. Guys, before I continue, if you follow my channel, you should know that I'm not really a fan of diamond painting animals and birds. But when I saw this very kit, I realize that there is a lot of room for customization, especially these ornaments on the peacock's tail. I want to replace all the drills with the ABs or crystals. Hopefully the kit comes already with at least some ABs, but if not, that's what I'm going to enhance. This very over here, this very ornament, and I think it will look much better with crystals and ABs. So unfortunately this kit does not come with any ABs or crystals. It comes with 25 colors of resin drills. I really love the colors. They're very, very bright, very beautiful. There are a lot of shades of green. Look at that. I mean, I don't know how many, like 5, 6 green colors. Here they are. Gorgeous colors. I really like them. But since it does not contain ABs, I am going to customize this kit with the ABs from my stash. So I will definitely replace white resin crystals with white AB drills from Diamond Dots. I am going to replace this blue color with Diamond Dots ABs. I really love these two colors, like salmon colors. One is brighter, the other one is a little bit duller, but it is really very hard to find this color ABs or crystals. But I found this one. I purchased it from AliExpress a long time ago. They're all different sized, but they're gorgeous. They're something in the middle of crystal and AB drills. They're very gorgeous. This color is beautiful. Then this blue with again semi-crystal AB drills. I don't even know how to call them. I think it was called like glass drills or something like this. I purchased like 3 or 4 years ago. I don't remember. So this green with again Diamond Dots green, AB green, and this red with red Diamond Dots ABs. This yellow with again this glass crystals, so whatever they are. This yellow with Diamond Dots yellow drills. I also want to try to replace this color with Diamond Dots crystals, but of course if it is used somewhere over here on the ornaments. If it is used elsewhere, like for example on the beak or on the eye, of course I wouldn't be touching it because it wouldn't look good. Like crystal drills on the beak looks weird. I should also check the eyes. Maybe I will put crystal eyes. And this color again with maybe I haven't decided yet, with these crystals, but again only if these drills are used somewhere on the ornaments on the peacock's tail. So I hope it will turn out gorgeous. At this moment I'm working on lake view from Make Market. It is actually diamond painted pretty quickly, although it has more colors than Peacock, 32 colors versus 25, but this one has a lot of actually color blocking, so hopefully I will finish it. If not by the end of this week, I will definitely do it by the end of the next week. I like how it is turning out, and once I am done, I will definitely start working on the Peacock. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this very kit, I would advise you to either go online and purchase this kit online. I'm pretty sure it is available. Just make sure to use a 30% coupon because it is again regularly priced. Or you can go to your physical store. Hello, Deanna. To your physical store and purchase it over there. But again, make sure to use a coupon. Download an app, and in your app, in coupons, this week is 30% off on regular priced items. If you find the Peacock that is on sale, like $10, purchase it. There are some Make Market kits, like big ones, 40 by 50 centimeters, London, some cottage design, something else, I don't remember, like flowers. They are all on clearance, at least at our Michaels, at my local one, for $10. Maybe in your Michaels, the Peacock is going to be on sale, or some other design that you like. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for your help. Deanna, say bye. Yeah, see? Very smart kitty. Okay, bye.